How to activate GO2bank Prepaid Card. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we're going to learn how to activate the card. First of all, if you want to activate the card you've received in the mail, you have to follow the steps. First of all, you have to open an account online, and then you can activate your chip-enabled debit card by logging into your account at go2bank.com or the app. Click on the Activate Card button on your account dashboard and follow the prompts. You'll need to provide information such as the last four digits of your debit card number, expiration date, 3-digit security code found on the back of your card, and last four digits of your social security number. Alternatively, you can activate your chip-enabled debit card at go2bank.com/start. You will be prompted to provide the following information to verify your identity and create a PIN. That is 16-digit debit card number, expiration date, 3-digit security code found on the back of your card, and your social security number and date of birth. So if you want to activate the card you purchased at a store, you have to download the GO2bank app or visit go2bank.com/start. Follow the prompts, provide your information for identity verification, and create a PIN. Then you will need to provide your name, card number, expiration date, security code, social security number, date of birth, email address, mobile number, and home address. Online access identity verification, mobile number or email address verification, and mobile app are required. Federal law mandates individuals to be 18 or older to open an account. So this was all about how to activate GO2bank Prepaid Card. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.